Learn how to clone web apps in Azure App Services in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. If you have an existing application in Azure App Services that you'd like to have copied over into another region, one option you have is to simply clone it. Inside of my application instance, I'm going to type in clone, and I'll select the clone app. I'm going to give it a new unique name. I'll call this tip clone. I'm going to put this in an existing resource group that I already have. And here in the app service plan, I could select the new region that I wanted to go into. Next, I'll hit clone settings. In this section, you'll see that we can clone items such as the application settings, connection strings, deployment source, and even custom domains. I'll select OK, and I'll go ahead and hit create. In just a few moments, our application will be copied over into a new instance running in that region that we selected. Our clone should be complete by now. If I select this option, go to Resource, we're now seeing a new instance of our application deployed, and here's the URL. And here you can see our cloned application running inside of the browser.